This is the instructional video for Unit 1 density conversion problems. This first problem says, a lab table is 195 centimeters wide. What is the table's width in meters? So here we're converting from centimeters to meters. These are both units of distance or length. All right, so our given is up here, 195 centimeters. We're trying to get to meters. So we need to see if we know a conversion factor for that. Since these are metric units, we know that if you got the prefix centi and then one of these base units without a prefix, that you have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And so if you know the metric prefixes, then you know your conversion factor. If you know a conversion factor from this unit to this unit, then you can set up a conversion chart like this. The way you do this is you set up these two lines, you take your given, put it in the top left. Make sure to have the number and the unit. Then you take this unit and you drag it down here. You put the thing you want to get to up here. Now notice I'm just filling in the units first. That way I can be sure that I have my units in the right place. I want to make sure that I have a conversion factor from this unit to this unit. So I know how many centimeters are in a meter, so I can go straight between them. If I didn't know, then I would have to do another step in this conversion. I also want to make sure that I'll cancel out the right units to get to what I want. Centimeters is on the top and the bottom, so it cancels out. It'll leave me with meters. To fill in this column, this is actually a fraction, and it has equivalent values on the top and the bottom, so it's really kind of like multiplying this value by 1. And so we're going to have to take two equivalent values and put them in here. Well, we know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, so we can put 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Then what you do is you take the top unit times the top, divide by bottom. So in your calculator, you can punch 195 times 1, divide by 100 equals, and you're going to get 1.95. The unit that didn't cancel, that's not on the top and the bottom, is meters, so that's your unit, and your answer is 1.95 meters. Let's look at one more problem. This one's really easy if you know the trick. This problem says, how many milliliters are in 31.6 cubic centimeters? So this one might look a little complicated. Oh my gosh, we got cubic centimeters here, but there's a quick trick to it. Cubic centimeters and milliliters are both measurements of volume, and the conversion between them is 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. So we're given 31.6 cubic centimeters. Well, every 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter, so 31.6 cubic centimeters equals 31.6 milliliters, and this one is that